Hello, ma'am. My name is Subash Thami. Uh, I am 23 years old. Uh, I have. I
So,
have.
so you are married.
Yeah.
Are you married?
Yeah.
How
I'm
many
married.
children do you have, sir?
I have one.
Okay. So tell me, sir, which position you want to apply for Romania?
Kitchen helper.
Okay. So have you ever been outside of any country before, sir?
Yeah. Before I am going there, Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai 4 years.
As a kitchen helper?
Yeah.
Very
yes,
good.
ma'am.
So you have already been in Dubai for 4 years already as a kitchen helper, right?
Yeah, yes,
Very nice, sir. Well done. Show me the skill. That's great, sir. Thank you so much. Have a great day, sir. All the best.